Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you regarding how you can set up Instagram ads in a correct way through Facebook Ads Manager. So as you know, sometimes your client or you have a demand that you want to run specific ads on Instagram, you don't want to run ads on Facebook as well as on Threads. So you just want to run ads on Instagram platform and you want to show people on Instagram only. So in this video I will walk you through regarding step by step how you can set up Instagram ads via Facebook Ads Manager and target people as per your business requirements. So let me share my screen and I will guide you step by step how you can do that. So as you can see, this is my Facebook Ads dashboard, and on here you just need to go to click create. Then you can choose whatever goal you want to. Let's say you want leads on Instagram or a messages. So I'm just gonna click on leads. You can select from tailored leads campaign as well as manual leads campaign. Tailored leads campaign is basically for if you want to let AI optimize your campaigns and target people accordingly as per Meta AI. But I recommend you to choose this if you have a good data in your ads manager account. But if you have a very new ad account or you want to target people specifically and you want to have full control of targeting in the campaign, so I would recommend you to choose manual leads campaign. And now continue. Here you can choose the budget, campaign wise or ad set wise. I recommend you to go with ad set budget. And now in the new ads campaign, here you can choose the goal if you want leads through instant form or website, or you want Instagram messages. I will go with Instagram DMs, or let's go with instant form. And here you can choose the budget, $20, $30, $10, whichever budget you have. And in the audience you can choose the city, country, state. I will keep it the same, US. And here if you go click on the show more options, here you have option to select the minimum age. For example, on some businesses we want to show our ads to people who are more than 25 years of age, 24 years of age. So you can choose that if you have any age requirement demand. And so now in the audience section you can choose I will recommend you to go with advantage plus audience, and then you can add your audience interest as per your business, because by that you will get more results, more quality leads. Here let's say I'm clicking personal care, health and wellness. You can choose any interest, and below in the placements click edit placement control. Just a moment. So here you can see advantage plus placements. So click here click manual placements. Here you can unselect Facebook audience network. So here our ads will be going to appear on Instagram. And now go to the ad level. On ad level you can add a creative. Let's say I'm putting any creative. Just a moment. Let's say I'm choosing this creative. You can change the CTA as per your goal. Let's say if you want to get messages, if you want to get leads, learn more, send a message, get offer, you can choose any CTA you want to. And you can add here primary text, headline, book now, book a free consultation. Now you can choose any headline, but it doesn't matter because as you are showing your ads on Instagram, so the CTA doesn't appear. And now you can check the ad copies, the creatives, and if you want to add more creatives, so you can just simply duplicate from here, enter multiple copies, how much copies you want, and then you can change the creatives from there. Okay, so once it is done, once you have checked all the settings, the audience, if everything is aligned with your goal, then you can simply publish the campaign. So you can simply publish the campaign. So this is how you can run Instagram ads through Facebook Ads Manager. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more digital marketing related content. Thank you.